pantry. It's the first section of our kitchen renovation, the first part that we did. Originally, this space was our laundry room, and we moved our washer and dryer upstairs. And then we incorporated this. Instead of using it as a big section of our kitchen, we decided that we needed space for storage, for practical things like our cat supplies, an extra microwave, appliances, and we have the sink, which has been a great second sink because we were able to use this area as a temporary kitchen while we did our full kitchen remodel. So this room has been really useful. I'm very happy that we chose to use this for storage and just workspace. It's worked out really well for us. The finishes in this room are very classic, traditional black and white pantry. I have Carrara marble countertops. Our cabinetry is flat panel, white, full overlay, custom cabinetry. Our shelves have a beadboard backing. It's all very traditional. The styles that we picked for in here. The black walls have a stencil in a high gloss finish that my daughter Katie, who's a decorative painter, did for me. They add that high gloss adds just a little sheen to the walls and makes the room a lot brighter. The chandelier is something that I had for my original kitchen table. It was gold and green and I sprayed it black. It works out really well. I also have some hooks that I put in here because this is the first doorway that you pass as you enter from my garage, so it's great to have a place for umbrellas, purses, coats. I can just stick them there when I walk in the door. But overall, we've been really, really happy with this use of space.